Hello to you.
Hello, ma'am.
So today we are going to learn something related to British sounds, as we have studied in the childhood about the A, E, I, O, U. So today I'm going to teach you some of the sounds like speak with me. Say ah.
Ah.
Open your jaws. Put your both of the fingers here. 2 fingers here. Now open your mouth. Say ah.
Ah.
Put your fingers down. Now say aw.
O.
A,
A.
E,
E.
I.
I.
Now just repeat the sounds with me. A,
A.
O, A, E, I. A,
A.
O,
O.
A, E, I. A,
A. O.
A, E.
I.
Very good. This is a jaws exercise which really helps you to whatever you English word you're going to speak, that should be carries little bit of accent. Okay, great.